Hey there friends, on today's video we are going to be removing these Yakima TimberLine crossbars. We've mounted them on the rack and we're ready to take these off. Now this is a fairly simple process to do. We're going to walk you through it step by step. Let's do it. So the first thing we're going to need to do is obviously unlock these guys right here with our key, and basically the unlock position is in the vertical right there. And then what we can do is actually grab on either side of this outer cover. You can see the little pinch points. There's one on this side as well. We're going to grab those and we're just going to pull the cover off. It comes off really, really easy. And that's going to expose a couple of pieces that we're going to need here. So I've actually come around the other side here just so we can get some better light. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to pull down this little tab, and you're going to see there's this little hexagonal nut that goes into the main assembly. And what we're going to do is we're going to use our wrench that came with our rack. If you don't have one of these, again, you can just use an Allen key. But what we're going to do is we're going to get in here and basically we're just going to loosen up this little bolt here. I'm going to turn it roughly 100 times. I mean, this is a very long bolt. So let me do that. We'll pull it out and show you what to do next. Okay, as you can see, we've unthreaded this bolt and it's nice and loose, so we can pull it out. Again, you can see how long it is. So it does take a little bit to get out there. And then what we're going to do next is we're going to come down and grab this tab. Now, when we loosen that bolt, what this allows this to do is this whole strap assembly is allowed to pull out just a little bit, and you can get it up and off of those bracket mounts. So you can see that I just pulled that little tab out and then it loosened up. So again, you're going to need to do that to both sides. And once you do that, this thing actually will just lift straight off. It's literally that easy. Friends, I hope that helps. If it has, would you guys please hit that thumbs up button? It lets us know we're making helpful videos. And stay tuned, we're actually going to make another video showing how to move and adjust the top ski rack to this TimberLine Yakima crossbar. And if that's going to be helpful, yeah, stay tuned, hit the subscribe button. We got a bunch more videos coming up soon. Thanks for watching.